So what if we have these fancy dashboards in an external tool that we currently just push in our spreadsheets to get updated dashboard data? Well, what we do with our Bizview model is that we connect it to our external tool using the Bizview REST API. Consuming one user license, we're able to present any data stored in Bizview in external analysis tools such as Power BI or ClickSense. The data can be set on a scheduled refresh rate, and anything created in the external tool that can be shared or exported can in turn be presented back in Bizview. If you haven't thought of the question already, does this mean we can also show Bizview interfaces in our external tool as well? Well, yes it does. In this example, I've shared a Bizview input form and inserted it as an iframe in a Power BI report, where I can change and save values that in turn update the data in my Power BI visual. Nice, huh?